Okay. So does everyone have their little quiz thing open?
Yeah. JC, did you have any questions on
No.
the prep?
No, I think I'm good.
Okay.
I think I'm good. What about you guys?
I had a few, but I already asked Mac.
Okay, sweet.
Okay.
Have you heard from?
Nah, she hasn't responded to anything. So I don't know if she's still in our group, dropped the class, or what.
Yeah.
Oh well. But yeah. Everyone knows how to get to the normal probability applet thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I guess we'll start with number 3. The total area under a normal distribution curve must equal
1.
Yeah. Okay. Under certain circumstances, the normal distribution curve can drop below the x-axis.
No.
Yeah, that should be false. The normal distribution curve is symmetrical. That's
Yeah.
true. Okay, now using this image, what figure represents the z-score?
C.
Okay. And then which one represents that it is, or the probability, or represents the probability that the z-score will be greater than 1? So wouldn't that be B?
Yeah.
Okay. Dang it. My thing's being retarded. Okay.
Okay, so sorry. 3 was false, right?
Number 3 was
1.
Right. 1. That's right. Under certain circumstances, so 4 is false.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, my quiz didn't load. Have you guys already done 5?
Yeah.
So 5 was true.
True.
That is okay. I remember the week too.
And then 6 was C.
Yeah.
And 7 was B. So y'all caught up?
Thank you.
Okay. According to the 68, 95, 70, or 99.7 rule, what percentage of the data on bell-shaped distribution will be within 1 standard deviation of the mean?
68.
Yeah.
Do you think we have to? They want the percent sign in there?
No,
No.
in the percent, it's just saying, just do the number. Don't even try to convert it to decimal.
Okay.
Now, suppose the z-score comes from a standard normal distribution. Use the applet to answer this question. What proportion of the z-scores will be between -1 and 1? So is it saying like this? We put the z-score as a -1 and 1. So
Yeah, we put that
okay.
as for the z-score to see the area that it gives.
And how many decimals are we supposed to do?
3.
So it's 0.317.
It would be 0.683.
Yep.
Between
So
1 and 1.
oh wait, I had more. Okay. Yeah, so 683. 0.6. Okay.
683.
Yeah. Okay, what will be between 2 and -2? That one will be point. Did anyone get an answer for that one?
0.955.
Okay, what are you guys doing different? This is weird.
So what do you have shaded in?
The edges after 2. Like so from -2 down and then from +2 up.
So it'd be in between. So it'd just be the middle section.
Oh, so 0.9. .955, is that what you did?
Yeah. Okay. What proportion of the z-scores will be between -3 and 3? JC, did you get an answer?
0.9973.
Yeah, so 997.
So 0.997.
Yep. Okay.
Yep.
Now look carefully at your answers to the last 3 questions. What did you observe?
The value matches the 997 or 68, 95, 97 rule.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. The next 6 questions. The amount of protein that an individual must consume is different for every person. There are solid theoretical ideals that suggest that a protein requirement will be normally distributed in the population of the United States. The protein requirement is given in terms of number of grams of good quality protein that must be consumed each day per kilogram body of weight. The population mean protein requirement for adults is 0.65. The population standard deviation is 0.07. Okay, so what do we got? So mean was 0.65. Okay. So what proportion of the population have protein requirements that is less than 0.60? find the z-score.
So did you just find the z-score, or did you just do one standard deviation from the mean?
So you would find the z-score, and then you would highlight the bottom or the left side. So did anyone get an answer for that, or?
So just highlight the left side.
Yeah, because it's saying less than.
So I got 0.237.
Are we still rounding 3? So,
Yeah, I think so.
So it'd be 238.
Yeah.
Okay. What proportion of protein is more than 0.6? So then you just highlight everything else.
So 0.762.
Yep. Okay, what proportion is less than 0.7? So isn't it just going to be switched?
Yeah. Be everything below 0.714, right?
Yeah.
So 0.762.
Yeah. Okay, so is everyone on 16 now?
Yeah.
Okay. So find the probability that a random selected person will have the protein requirement that is between 0.6 and 0.7. Okay, so remember to find the area between two values, shade to the left. Wait, yes, remember that to find the area in between two values, shade to the left of each z-score. We calculate, then subtract the smaller area from the larger area. Make sure your answer is positive. Man, why would you have to do that when you can just select the middle? Because wouldn't that be the exact same? Because if you're taking or what's all on the left and then subtract it by like what's on the left, that would just give you the middle.
No, I don't think so. I got 0.287. Because if you take just the middle portion, which is 0.5248, subtract the far left, which is 0.2376. Isn't that how you would do that?
Well, I'm just confused because it's saying, okay, so shade in the left of both z-scores. So that would be the left side and the middle. So you calculate that, which is 0.76, whatever.
Mm-hmm.
And then subtract the smaller area from the larger area. So
So you're going to subtract the far left side from the middle.
yeah.
So the middle by itself is 0.5248.
Well, no, you'd subtract the total minus the left side, which would just give you the middle. So I don't understand why you can't just select the middle and get your answer.
Is it the total area though? Not the larger one?
Well, because the first one, so the calculating what's on the left of both is both of them combined. So that's the
I guess
total.
that's true.
And then subtract by the smaller one, which would be the far left side.
So
if you
just
take-
the middle.
Yeah. So that's just,
Okay, I see what you're saying.
it's a lot more words than needed. So wouldn't it just be 0.525?
Yes.
That's what I understand, but the wording does make it kind of confusing.
Yeah, that kind of threw me off. Okay.
Find the 35th percentile. So did you guys get an answer?
I'm a little confused how to do that one for sure.
Okay, so the way I understand it is, so what is the 35th percentile? Like what does percentile mean?
So, way to categorize data, so isn't it like U and above?
Yeah, so if you have the 30 percentile of some data, what is that telling you? Is it telling you that 35% of the people scored below that or higher than that?
Higher?
Oh,
It's not.
yeah, wouldn't it be
Isn't.
lower? Or I guess if you scored 35 percentile, you scored higher than 35% or equal to.
Yeah.
That means the data would be everything less than the 35%. Does
Okay.
that make sense?
Yeah.
So, so your area would be your percentile. So if you were to just put 0.35, that would give you, and just shade the left side, that would give you your z-score.
So.
And then from that point, you use the z-score formula, but you're solving for the actual value instead of the z-score. So you like manipulate it to where it's the mean plus the z-score times standard deviation in parentheses. So did that make sense?
And then you times by 100 to get a percent? Or what? Are we getting a percent?
Let me double check. No, because we're finding a value. So
Okay. So I got 0.6 or 0.067.
0.67.
Is that what you got?
I got 0.623.
Okay. So the mean is 0.6, right? Or 0.65. That's what I did. 0.3632. Okay, that is not what I got.
Okay, so
0.65 plus your z-score, right?
No, you have to first times the standard deviation to your z-score.
yeah, so I guess so that's why, so what's in parentheses is the z times standard deviation. And then that plus the mean.
So 0.675.
Yeah, so you would have your negative 0.385, your z-score, times by your standard deviation, which is 0.07. And then you would add 0.65 to that.
Mac, what did you get for your z-score?
So my z-score was negative 0.385.
I got 0.3632.
I got 0.454 negative. What the heck?
What all do you
You
have
just
like highlighted?
the very left.
And you
The
just put,
z-score never changes with what you highlight. The area changes.
Hold on.
So in the area, I put 0.35, and my z-score is between negative 0.454 and 0.454.
I get negative 0.385.
that's what I got too.
Okay.
So what is yours doing weird?
I don't know. I'll just exit out and open up a new one to see.
Yeah, but then JC, once you did the math, what did you get?
Hold on, I have to redo it. So I got 0.623.
Okay, that's what I got as well.
Okay. Got it.
So is it working now?
Yep.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah. So 0.623.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
I got the same thing.
Wait, you got the same?
Out of 2.3.
What did you use as your z-score?
Negative 0.253.
So, okay, so re-put in, or wait, are you on number 35 still?
No,
Or,
I
no,
was
or
finding,
you're finding the 35th percentile?
no, I was finding the 80th.
Okay, so what did you put in your area?
For the 80th percentile?
Yeah.
Should it? It doesn't change depending. I put 0.8. Sorry,
Is it point?
0.8.
Okay, and then did that change your z-score?
It just says negative 2.53 to 2.53.
But what do you have highlighted?
Is that not what you guys got?
No, because I got 0.842.
Yeah, that's what I got. Because the middle and the right side is highlighted, and the left side's not. So
Okay. I just
if
got
that's,
it.
yeah, okay.
Point 842. So 0.79.
Yeah.
0.709.
Yeah.
That's what I got.
Okay.
And the last one on 17, we did get 0.632 or 23. That's what we decided, right?
Yeah.
Sweet. We got 100%.
Sweet.
Okay.
So
So I guess, does everything that we did make sense? Or
Yeah, it does now.
Yeah.
Working through like all the word problems with the last few, it just kind of set in stone.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay.
So we're going to do Tuesday at 10:30.
10:30,
Yep.
so 9:30 my time.
Yeah, does that work for you?
Yeah, I think
Yeah, it
so.
works for me.
Guess I'll email you guys if that doesn't work.
Okay.
Has anybody heard from Ileana or whatever? Is that her name?
I think I haven't heard from her.
I haven't.
Okay, well.
And was
Alrighty
she
then.
the one that said like basically she could only do the mornings?
Yeah, because she has to pick up her daughter in the afternoons from school.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
okay, so if I guess she isn't gonna be there for groups, maybe not this week, but we can maybe consider doing it after later if we need to.
okay. So far this has worked pretty good for me. It's a little rushed just because I get out of class at 10, and then 10:30 on Tuesday. So I guess if we need more time, we can talk about doing it later. But
So right now it's working fine. So
Okay.
once it, I guess,
sweet. And you're gonna submit the link, Mac.
yeah, I'll save it and post it.
Perfect. Thank you.
Okay.
Um,
Have a good weekend, guys.
You
You
too.
too.
See ya.
Ugh.
What did you get for your Z-score?
So my Z-score was negative 0.385.
I got point.
I had
This question. What proportion of the Z-scores will be between 1 and, or negative 1 and 1? So is it saying like this, we put the Z-score as a negative 1 and 1? So,
we put that
okay.
as for the Z-score to see the area that it gives.
And how many decimals are we supposed to do?
3.
So it's 0.317.
It would be 0.683.
There we go. So
Between 1 and
is it saying like this? Oh wait, I have more.